Hey there, fellow adventurers from Russia. Are you ready to unlock the gateway to an extraordinary Singapore experience? Buckle up because we're about to guide you through the hassle-free process of getting your Singapore eVisa step by step. Say goodbye to those long embassy lines and mountains of paperwork. With just a few clicks on your computer or smartphone, you can now apply for your Singapore eVisa without breaking a sweat. Now, here's the exciting part. Within a speedy 2 to 3 working days, your shiny new eVisa will land in your email inbox, granting you a fantastic 29-day stay in Singapore for leisure, business, or anything in between. But wait, let's dive into the essential details, the Singapore eVisa requirements for Russians. Starting with your trusty passport, ensure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned Singapore arrival date. Don't forget to have a digital copy of your passport's main page ready for uploading during the application process. Your passport must have at least one blank page, and the photo should be clear and readable. Next, let's talk about those picture-perfect photos. Make sure your recent passport-sized color photo has a plain white background and showcases your entire face clearly from all angles. Now, onto your travel plans. You'll need to provide proof of both your inbound and outbound travel from Singapore. And don't forget to secure a confirmed hotel reservation to complete your visa application. Remember, immigration might request additional documents based on your application. If that happens, don't worry. We'll be by your side, assisting you every step of the way. Let's talk about processing times now. Opt for our lightning-fast premium service, and you'll have your Singapore eVisa in just 2 to 3 working days. Alternatively, our standard processing takes approximately 5 to 6 working days. And here's why it's a no-brainer. With your Singapore eVisa, you can dive into everything the city has to offer, whether it's business meetings or leisurely explorations. Plus, our application process is not only quick and straightforward but also budget-friendly, making it the perfect choice for Russian travelers like you. Once your eVisa is approved, it'll land directly in your email inbox. Simply print it out, and you're all set to kick off your Singapore adventure. So, what are you waiting for? Kickstart your journey today by visiting singaporevisaonline.sg. Your Singapore adventure awaits. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel insights, and check out our website for a seamless eVisa application experience.